Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Hiral is not able to join today, so I'll be only conducting the evening session. So, first of all, regarding what is happening with the US 10-year bond yields, the US 10-year bond yields have cooled down from 1.74 to 1.68, but we have seen some major selling coming through in industrial metals such as base metals and crude oil. Crude oil is down by 11%, and copper, which I've been recommending from so many days, is made a low of 660. So what has happened yesterday night, there was a meeting between US and China regarding the trade talks, and that have not gone well. So the Chinese counterpart were very aggressive, and they were not happy with the way the meetings have gone. So again, the trade war woes are back in the market. That is basically going to create some more pressure on metals going forward. And today we've seen copper's cancel warrant dropping by 27%, which is in fact bullish for copper. So I'm again recommending, sell on rallies. 668, 669. Again, you can go short in copper. Expect prices to again test levels of 662. Stop loss should be placed around 674. Same way, other metals look weak to me. Zinc, you can go short around 216.40. Stop loss around 217.70, and expect zinc prices to test levels of 214, 213. So first, metals doesn't look very attractive because of this ongoing problem. Today, the bond yields have cooled off, and that can lead to some buying in gold and silver. So gold was up, it's coming down, but you don't know if in evening session if the yields again shoots up, then again they will remain under pressure. But my view is that it looks relatively strong to me. Gold 44,900 good levels to go long. 45,100 to 150 should be the target for evening session, and stop loss for the same should be kept at 44,800. Silver also looks relatively stronger. 67,000 buying range for silver. 66,700 should be the stop loss. 67,550 should be the target for silver. As far as oil is concerned, it is down by 11%. Oil is down by 11%. So I'll recommend to go long in oil, and expect oil prices to bounce back, but the fundamentals are bearish, so don't expect it to significantly move up. 43.80 good levels to go long. 44.40 book your profit, and from that levels you can go again start to go short in crude oil. So after 2 days of fall, some upside, and then I'm expecting it to go down again. From my side. So there is one more. There is one question from why bullions are not sustaining upward. Any reason? So actually, what is happening with bullion is that the stronger economic data, the higher bond yields relatively, is indicating that the growth in US is going to be robust, and that's why bullions are not going up. So, but I personally feel that the any correction in yields. So for trading, I would recommend to go long, not for positional right now, but for trading, definitely I would recommend to go long. Thank you very much.